When it comes to Builder, there's really no better place to start than with the infinite canvas. It's hard to miss, and it stands out because it's one of the things that makes Builder so unique in the full web app development space. Because not only are you building and able to see one page as you build it, you're also able to view your entire application in the same exact view. You're able to see how your menu components interact with your home page and see how they work together. You're able to see the entire layout and navigation path a user might go through if they're navigating into your different pages. Inside of the infinite canvas, you can drag your pages, position them however you want. Maybe you wanted this right over here. Maybe you wanted to have a left to right layout of the path that the user is going through. As you use the canvas more and more, you're going to find moving around becomes really intuitive. You can move side to side. On a laptop, you can actually pinch to move in or out. On your keyboard, if you actually hit Shift plus or minus, you can zoom in or you can zoom out, and we focus on the page that you want. So if you have this page selected and I zoom into it, now I'm going to zoom in and out from that page in particular. Whereas if I just have the studio selected, it's going to zoom in and out based off the very center of that particular infinite canvas. The studio also lets you zoom in and out from the menu bar itself. So you can zoom out, zoom in, and again, if you have a specific page selected, it's going to take you to that page. You can also say fit to canvas. That will zoom out so that your studio is going to see every single page that you have in it, or hit fit to page to zoom into that specific page itself. And this is also where you could manipulate specific zoom in, zoom out based off the pixel width of the page that you're looking at. As you're using the studio, you'll also be able to do things like edit the canvas. And in addition to editing the content that's there, it's on the studio that, let's say you needed to add a new element. Let's say I want to add some more info here. I can add a brand text element. And you can do that with any element that we'll show more of later on. Even as you edit, you're able to see how the changes to your style classes might be influencing your other pages. And so if I make this header green, because it's the same header on different pages, it's going to show up green on both different pages. So the Builder canvas in particular is giving you the advantage of seeing and building one page, as well as your whole application at the same time in a really visual way.